price prediction using linear regression. My name is B. Rohit Raj, holding roll number 18J21A0516, and my teammates are A. Lokesh and B. Vishnu Teja. Or under the super, we have done this project under the supervision of T. Seshagiri. So the abstract of our project is we have a web application for which we have a login page and main page. The user enters the identification in the login page and he gives his requirements in the main page. So, when the client visits the website, he gives his requirements and we provide him with the available prices and we predict the price for his desired requirements. So, existing system consists of real estate agent and a customer, where the real estate agent can manipulate or take more money from the customer. So real estate agent approaches customer approaches the real estate agent. He shows the estates to customer, predicts and suggests better estates, and customer takes decisions upon the real estate agent. So existing system depending they can trick the customers, and risk of investment is high because the real estate agent cannot give any guarantee about anything, or it may have the legal issues and etc. So there is a lot of disadvantages in the real estate agent. So the proposed system is we are giving a website in which the user just have to provide his requirements, and uh, we give him with the data driven decisions directly, so that he cannot be get manipulated, or he can get the final result, like he can get the exact value of the price. Our website just takes the requirements and provides the decisions, and or we can say prices. So there are many advantages of proposed system. Like customer depends on himself for making decisions. Customer makes his own decisions. Prediction is reliable. Accuracy of model is increased over time with the use of more more users, and the use of and with the results, more successful results, the accuracy of this model increases.
Domain technologies. In this domain technologies, we are using data mining. Data mining is nothing but processing the data in technical manner. The raw data will be useful in sufficient format by using these techniques: data cleaning, data transformation, data reduction, and data visualization. And we using this data in this domain knowledge. We are using data. I mean machine learning also. In this machine learning, we are using these techniques like branch of artificial intelligence (AI) is a supervised learning model tires and uses the data and algorithm to learn, improve its performance from various expenses, gradually improving its accuracy also. In UI techniques, we use HTML, CSS, JavaScript in the backend. I mean front end. From framework, some frameworks are Flash we use in the backend and Bootstrapper website designing.
In the tools, we use Python as its programming language, Jupyter as its IDE, Pandas, Matplotlib library, and scikit-learn. These three are the libraries of Python. All of these three are used for data cleaning, data visualization, and model building. Flask is a Flask can be used as a Python backend server, and for the front end we use HTML, CSS, JavaScript for website building. Coming to the algorithm, we use a basic machine learning algorithm, which is a linear regression algorithm. It is a machine learning algorithm based on supervised learning, where we use one independent variable, one or more independent variables, and compare the relationship with the dependent variable, which is y. In here we have a independent variable, which is x, uh, which is measured against y. So the model is laid out in such a way uh, the label y is estimated from the x based on m and c. Uh, Here mean square error can be also said as cost function. First we train the data using the 80% of the refined data, in which we detect the m and c values from the x and y values of the training data set. After training the model, we get the MNC, and after getting the MNC, we use the other 20% of the data to 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 compare it with y, and test that data. So after testing the data, we will get the predicted data and we check it with the actual Y data so that we can get the accuracy every time. By checking various algorithms, we came to a conclusion that linear regression is more successful, having more than 80% of the accuracy. And at the end, this project aims for the problem solving of the clients and improving the regression model uh, prolongedly, and minimize the transaction between the client and the real estate agent. And thank you.
Thank you.